Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a loaf pan, then mash 3 ripe bananas until smooth. Mix sugar, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla in a bowl, then fold in flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool briefly before slicing and serving. Gather your ingredients before you start to make the process smooth and relaxing. You will need 3 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1½ cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Measure into bowls, soften butter if chilled, and line your loaf pan so you can move quickly once bananas are mashed. This helps prevent mistakes and saves time. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy simple, steady progress, check out The Simple Path to Wealth for practical money habits that free up time for baking and life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes. I've added a link in the description with other deals and details about the book. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Combine wet ingredients first to create a smooth base, then gently fold in dry ingredients to avoid overmixing. After folding, stir in nuts or chocolate chips if you like, but do not overwork the batter. Spoon batter into the prepared pan, smooth the top, and bake until golden and a tester comes out clean. Let the bread cool on a rack to finish setting before slicing and serving. This preserves texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.